up, OG Nation? Today's episode is going to be something slightly different. It will be a small hodgepodge of a few things where I didn't have a whole lot of content. So I'm just going to put three different days together. To start off the episode, it's Hog Chapter Meeting Night. I'll film a little bit of the Hog Chapter and bring you guys in with me to the Hog Chapter meeting 2715 Middle Tennessee in the Franklin area. We are sponsored by Moonshine Harley Davidson. After that, I met three ladies. I believe they were coming from, and I may have it wrong right now because I don't remember, it was a couple of weeks ago, but I believe they were, pull out in front of me there, brother. I believe they were coming from New Orleans. Or no, they were going to New Orleans. They were from maybe Illinois. Anyways, they'll tell you where they were from. So they were heading there for a big bike rally. After that, we're going to finish today's episode off with a ride that I recorded. I thought I recorded. Apparently, I only recorded 6 minutes of the ride. And then the only thing that picked up after that was an hour and 20 minutes of audio. Me and the boys from the Franklin crew, my man EY Eric Young, my man Jordan, and my man Brandon all took a day ride. I think it was like a lunch ride or something. We rode around for an hour and something minutes through Franklin. And like I said, only on video and of me talking, I only picked up 6 minutes or so. So I'll finish the episode off with that. So let's get to the Hog Chapter meeting. That's what happens when you change your mind where you're going to park right as you're backing up. I was going to park there and I was like, oh, I'm going to park here. Whatever. All right. So I'm inside the chapter meeting. Shelby, I have a question for you.
Yes.
Some people that watch my channel have told me that I should probably they've asked me if I had a name for my fat boy.
Oh.
And I don't have a name for the fat boy, but I thought, I've never really named the vehicle or anything, but I thought, you know, what the heck.
Absolutely.
So what would be your recommendation that I name my fat boy? I'm gonna ask people to put in the description what they think I should name it, and then I'm gonna just ask individuals randomly, and then I'm gonna pick one.
Oh my gosh, so, I am so on the spot right now. Well, I need a minute.
Then take a minute, and I'll come back to.
And what, I forget what your bike is black.
It's a 2006. It is actually a dark blue with gray ghost flames.
Okay.
Fat boy.
Ooh. Okay.
Yeah,
gray ghost flames makes a good.
Yeah. So just think about it.
I'm going to think about it. Come back to me.
All right.
Hey, I'm not going to wreck. I'm not going to fall over, okay? Maybe not.
I'll link that video up there.
Yeah.
Wait, no, I got to put a hat on. Oh, my hair is a mess. I got to do my hair.
We have a good time here at the Hog Chapter meetings. There'll probably be some silliness going on at some point tonight.
As soon as we get that launched, it'll be a lot easier because we'll have a mobile app and you'll be able to check into rides really fast, and we'll have all the information that normally you write down is already there, and all you got to do is show up, check in, and we've got everything. And then we have everything in a very organized electronic fashion in case anything ever was to happen. So up until that point, though, we want to make sure that everybody starts practicing the idea of checking in for the rides when we get to the ride. So look for the clipboard, look for an ability to sign all your information in there and make sure it's legible. In case something does happen, we ought to be able to use that information. That's what it's there for. Whoever the lead road captain for that ride is that day and any of the suites that they're working on, if you don't know, they're either in an orange vest or they're talking at the beginning of the safety meeting of the ride. Find that clipboard and make sure you get signed in. And just to make sure we're clear on what's on that clipboard, it's a sign-up sheet, but the most important information on that sign-up sheet is emergency contact information. So that if anybody was to need to be contacted on your behalf, that information is legible and on there.
Technically not a new member, because I was just a delinquent member, so I'm current now.
All right.
running out of words. We have a special guest speaker amongst us.
Wait,
Shelby, can you come up, please?
Yes.
This was not planned because it was planned between she and I, but I did not reveal that to anybody. So please tell us what you have for us.
Okay, Ronnie asked me to share about this.
You gotta speak up though.
For those of you who don't know, I have I had a career in health and fitness, personal training, yoga, stretching, so forth. So Ronnie asked me if I would do just a quick, because I know we're all running low, out of words and time.
No, you're not running out of words. I'm running out of words.
We're doing just a little thing on mainly fitness for riding, back health, and things like that. So first thing I wanted, who's had a lower back pain or a back pain before, during, or after riding, or just a pain in the raise your hand. So what I want to say just really quickly, first of all, is I am available to 385-674. 674. Thank you.
836.
Right here.
All right, Ryan. This is magnetic. Yes, I do. Which one is it? This one?
Do I want the moonshine or this? Ooh. I want that.
Yeah, that's cool. That's really cool. Ryan, you need to pick a ticket.
Oh yeah.
That white box is for that. It's for that.
Go back.
All right.
You want to yell?
Okay. Are you ready? 3, 8, 5, 6, 3, 5. 635. You put it in there? See you guys.
See you, man.
Have a good one. Very nice to meet both of you. All right, guys, so that was a little bit of the Hog Chapter meeting from Middle Tennessee Hog Chapter 2715 right here in Franklin, Tennessee. So now I'm going to take you to when I was up at Moonshine Harley Davidson and I met these ladies from out of town. Hey guys, so I stopped by Moonshine Harley Davidson up here and I ran into these three ladies and they are from out of town coming through the Middle Tennessee area. Like I said, Moonshine Harley Davidson is in the Franklin area. And ladies, tell me where you're going.
Okay.
And where you're from.
Alrighty. My name is Tracy. I'm from Indianapolis, Indiana. We're on our way to New Orleans, Louisiana for a big weekend of riding. It's called Black Girls Ride 2. We're meeting up with about 200 or 300 women to just get out and have a good weekend of riding. This is my motorcycle. I ride a street glide and her name is Beyonce.
And what year is Beyonce?
I think she's an 08.
An 08,
yeah.
Okay. And so how many miles have you ridden right now and how many miles do you think that you'll clock before this entire trip's done?
She's the mileage calculator.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Bernice. Again, I'm from Indianapolis, Indiana, riding with Tracy. I ride a road glide and we will probably clock over a good 800.
Oh wow.
For this trip.
Oh wow. So anything special that you want to know? You got Instagrams you want to send them to or anything?
I do. My Instagram name is what is my Instagram name? Treyonce.
Treyonce.
As a matter of
okay.
fact, it's Treyonce. You know, I just post a bunch of pictures of whatever I'm doing for the day or some kind of outfit that I might have on or what have you. So I've been riding for 17 years. I've had Gixxers and Ninjas, and when I got my cruiser, I told Bernice that I need her to teach me how to ride across the highway, and we've been riding ever since.
See, that's one of those important things that I'm always talking about, guys. You don't always have to start out on a Harley Davidson. Sometimes there's a transition, because I came from the same transition. I started on dirt bikes, went to sport bikes, and ended up at Harley Davidson's. So, ladies, very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very good luck on your trip, and be safe.
Thank you. Have a good day.
I'm riding with the guys from Franklin, the crew. My man Brandon right here.
Hey everybody.
Jordan up there to the left. And my man EY, Eric Young. Of course, Jordan is on the Triumph. So but he's gonna lead. The Triumph is leading 3 Harleys. Today, Brandon and I are hooked up on audio, and Eric doesn't have his hooked up, and I don't think Jordan's ever bought one yet. I might have to ride with this shield open for a little while because it is hot. Are you sweating? Yeah, are you sweating yet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, see, I've got this little blue fishing shirt on. It's a sun shirt, and it's supposed to let your body breathe. So we'll see how it does on the motorcycle.
Yeah, it's first manufacturing jacket breathes pretty well, to be honest. It's hot set still, but the air flows through it. It feels good.
That's the same with this vest. Although I've lost a little bit of weight.
I noticed that.
It was kind of intentional but unintentional. I was just trying to slim the gut down a little bit, but I also stopped working out, so that's the thing too. I just took a break from working out. That happens ever since I quit wrestling. That's one of those deals where every now and then I just quit working out for about, you know, a few months or something. But I went years and years and years with working out all the time. Something's in the road up there on the right hand side.
Oh yeah.
So every now and then I just need a break. I mean,
yeah, sometimes it's good to take a break.
Yeah. But it usually just takes standing in front of the full length mirror I have in my place a couple of times, and then I go, oh, I don't like what I see anymore.
Gotta get back at it.
Yeah.
That's how I feel when I drink too many beers.
All right, do you know what he said?
Not a clue.
Me neither. Sounds good, brother. We're in. I don't know what we just agreed to. That's a different look riding behind EY with without his arms being up in the air about 16 inches.
And no, he went the opposite. They're down low now.
Yeah. Oh yeah, watch the big pothole. Good signal.
I do like those new bars he got though. Those look pretty sweet.
Yeah. I like the look. It makes his bike look better, I think. But and here's the thing too, is I like that ape hanger look.
Yeah, I do too.
Man, that's a big stick in the road. A log.
Yeah, it really was. It's like somebody was carving out a walking stick or something.
Yeah,
with it.
It fell out of their truck. That's one of those things that a tire will catch the edge of it and they'll go flipping back at you.
Yeah, that'd be no good.
You have to do some matrix stuff to duck it.
Yeah.
Mark, what's up, brother? I know that guy to the left. That's a buddy of mine.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, we were talking about bars. I put these on when we started riding last year, probably about a month before we started riding together, or somewhere in that time frame. And it took me a while to get used to them, but I finally feel like I'm actually used to them this year.
Yeah.
I'm really happy with the way they handle.
Well, I tell you what, I've been, you know, I ride a bunch of bikes that they have up there at Moonshine Harley-Davidson, and some of them have had T-bars on them and stuff, and I like that feeling of the T-bar ride. That's a better feeling for your shoulders and your wrists.
Yeah, I used to have drag bars or like straight bars down near the triple trees, and I was too far bent over. It was kind of almost like a cafe kind of ride.
Yeah.
That was on my Sportster.
The good old Sportster.
Yep. That 99 883C.
That 883 is, there's such a huge following for that particular Sportster. I think it's larger than most of the other Sportsters in general. I think there's a huge Sportster following, but the 883 has its own sub following, I believe.
Yeah, the Evolution engine on it too.
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of guys do a lot of different stuff with them, turn them into like bobbers and dirt bikes and all kinds of stuff.
Thank you so much for watching today's episode. If you have not already, hit that like button. please consider subscribing to the channel and becoming a part of the OMG Nation. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Stall. Oh, this is recorded, by the way.
I didn't think it wasn't recorded.
Okay. Just checking.